got talked into going and plowing some snow. It's clients we've had for a very long time. About an hour drive to get out of here. Oh, there's another one of those good ones where the tree's broken off, hanging on the power lines over the road. Those are always fun. Got my breakfast burrito. Get up here, knock this job out. I think we're gonna take care of the neighbor's property too. But you can see that guy's got chains and stuff on, getting up in their driveway. These folks got a pretty steep driveway on a good day, and they got their vehicles parked up at the top by the house. They didn't park them down at the bottom, plus they're elderly, so they probably shouldn't be walking down a slippery road no matter what. So we'll get the driveway plowed, and hopefully they can get their vehicles out and get to town and get out of the house. I'm sure they're getting cabin fever. But we got the little Kubota back there today. I'm gonna try out the grater blade attachment on the back. I've only used it like twice. See if it does anything in the snow. If not, we got Old Faithful, the bucket. So, let's see how deep it is. About a foot. I think the Kubota should do all right here. So go. House is right there. Got a 1964 switchback. Let's get her unloaded. Whoa, what the heck? Would have rather brought the skid steer. You know, enclosed cab, track lane. Weighs about 3 times what this brake weighs. Twice. But that thing is out of town, so I brought my Takeuchi jacket so it can be here in spirit. Got the next best thing. Got a Milwaukee heated sweater underneath, so it's pretty much equivalent to cab. Sure, it's kind of working. What, a pickup would have been a hell of a lot easier if I had a plow on one, but I don't. This thing ain't got enough on it. Let's see.
It looks like I fell timber in here for about a day without even looking. Just cutting everything down. Probably take me 40, 50, 60 minutes or something.
Oh, done too much of that shimmy and stuff. I got that hydraulic grater blade, so kick it off to the side and it kind of works. I think a tree just fell. Yep.
Cool.
Oh shit, it broke an oak. Yeah, it's 45 degrees here, so we'll see. But I'll see you in a minute. Where Randy can get up this thing. There we go. Hey. Arm's full. It's nice out here. I guess it kind of beats being in the shop. Just gonna try and get up above it, work it down. Doesn't seem as thick up here. thought you were going to drive, man. Where you going? He's like, I want to go back to the truck. You want to go back to the truck, Boone? That gets slick up there. Need a set of chains, but I don't have any, so we made it happen. Starting to, I don't know, it's cooling off for the evening, but it's actually melting off, so it might have a chance of not turning into black ice. Knock off that little bit of a shoulder. Watch your gate. Heated jacket really puts the torch on your back. But then come back to the truck, crack open the thermos. Wasn't a bad job actually, just got a little slippery. Go knock out the neighbor's hoss one up. He came over and helped out. I'll let him drive the tractor next round. Did you really break your neck looking at the blade the whole time? This is definitely more effective than I was expecting, and it takes a little bit getting used to, but I think it's more efficient than the bucket and or scrape box on the back. So anyway, he's up there getting paid, and we're going to do the next job. I think those folks are going to be thrilled to finally leave the house. They've been trapped in here for a week, maybe more. You know, that's not a big deal. Some people, but they're elderly, so it's nice to be able to get out and knock some stuff out. Go grocery shopping and all that. You don't want to be trapped inside and run out on a Jenny. Kind of a blind corner. Whoop. Damn, that thing's slick. But gooseneck. Good for this situation. Bad for other situations. Can't haul the lift on it because it won't fit because the gooseneck's in the way. Can't haul a pickup on it because the gooseneck's in the way. Wheel tractor with a loader. Perfect combo. What'd you put it in low? Cabin. Well, they get their cars out. I don't know if they'll get back up here. It's a dirt road. Can't take too much off or else I'll just make a river. Look at all this. Boom, 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 boom. Big old oak. I'm going past this. I'm going to turn around right here. Tell you what, there's a road right here that is difficult towing a gooseneck in and out of loaded when it's good weather. I wonder if they got that sucker plowed out. A pickup would be the only real way to go on doing this stuff if you're trying to get any speed or anything out of it. That last one wasn't bad. It was just a dirt road. And like this one. Yeah, no, they're just getting in and out. There were side-bys. Get yourself a snowcat, but little Kubota did good. I wouldn't mind having a, oh, they brought his truck down, parked it at the bottom. Good. Look at that. That's the first job right there. That turned out nice. Starting to melt off a little bit. Cool. But the Kubota, she got it done. Wish I would have found my sunglasses about 4 hours ago. Brutally bright out there. But better late than never, I guess. We're all done for the day. Just 2 jobs. Help those folks out. It's pretty well off the beaten path. It's a little bit of a drive out here, but county maintained roads, so obviously they'll plow that, but any driveways, especially those 2, which are, first one is probably freaking half a mile long. Oh, what in the truck got going on here? I don't even know why you're doing this. Go park somewhere else. In a good spot and got off the road as much as I could. Sure. I don't even know what the hell. Try to find a better spot is what I'm trying to say. Oh, in the road there, had one land on this horse trailer. She's wrecked. These guys didn't even put out a prepare to stop thing. Almost destroyed the Ford. Oh, don't run into the snow. I want to summarize this snowstorm versus like the one that Texas had last year. Texas, they got screwed over by, you know, the whole situation. Power outage and stuff like that. They didn't have enough stuff in place to, you know, keep them warm and stuff like that. And this one, look at, I mean, tree after tree after tree. Where was this? Up in here. I think it was right here. Yeah, there's a RV, poor thing, parked out in the middle of nowhere. It's a 5th wheel trailer. Damn tree snagged it. But this, once the snow levels off and melts down, it's going to look straight up like a hurricane went through here. It didn't really necessarily get cold. It just perfect temperature for dumping a couple feet of snow. This is a week after, you know, the initial snowstorm. So a lot of it is melted down. I mean, look at this big old tree. That's like a 30-inch tree it uprooted right across the road. This old boy's working on something. Oh yeah, look at, there's another big old root ball. Oh man, you gotta watch where you're driving. There's stuff sticking out in the road just a touch. It's just a different animal is what this storm was. It wasn't just that Arctic frozen cold to the bone. It was just snow. Just a lot of damn snow. And all these trees around here, people from other areas that typically get snow, they think, well, it's just a normal day. Maybe for your neck of the woods, but these trees weren't ready for it. These trees are used to light winters, and whatever moisture they can get, they store it up. So a lot of them are soaking up a good amount of water. They were already pretty heavy and then boom, dump a couple feet of snow on it. Seems like every one of these pieces of property, this one's all oaks right through here. That one did good. But back there, man, she was torn up. There's a little subdivision down, let's see, where am I at from there? I'm quite a ways from it, but they calling that ground zero. Just every street is just completely clustered with junk laying in it. What you need to do is just go through there with a track chipper. I don't know how you would arrange payment and stuff like that, because that would be an expensive procedure. But go through with the excavator and the track chipper and just start pulling these things off the lines, because areas like that, this power might be restored right here, but down there ain't no hot wires or nothing. That whole grid's shut down. And you just start pulling off the trees off the wires and just start chipping them all up and get done with it. Instead of hand crews just shoveling through some stuff, get an excavator and a track chipper in there and just let her eat. One guy outdo 50 guys. Maybe if you had a guy with a chainsaw running the ground just a little bit, but if you had a grapple with a chainsaw on it, you get a lot of stuff done. Forgot about my burrito earlier. She's cold. That's gone. Give it to the dogs. But this ain't bad through here. Oh, never mind. There's some stuff hanging on the lines. This is how goofy the power company is. I hire the guys just to trim this tree rather than just cut the thing down, so you get this weird goofy root ball thing up in the tree 20 feet. Packs with a bunch of... Where's that guy? Probably plowing. A lot of dump trailers, skid steer outfits out here. But, oh well, I'm headed home. I did my deed for the day. Happy New Year, everybody. That's what today is. New Year's Eve. See you guys later.